Namaste dear all. Welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Sam Saraswatye Namaha. Om Lakshmi Narayanabhyam Namaha. Om Vani Hiranyagarbhabhyam Namaha. Om Sita Ramabhyam Namaha. Om Matrubhyo Namaha. Om Pitrubhyo Namaha. Om Rishibhyo Namaha. Om Munibhyo Namaha. Om Acharyebhyach Namo Namaha. Sarvebhyach Devi Devatabhyach Namo Namaha. So Namaste dear all. Today I am taking up Acharya Stotra. This is a fantastic stotra, an eulogy on Sri Shankara, Ramanuja and Madhvacharya. So this is all combined and just put in a nutshell in just 32 letters. An Anushtup stotra, a fantastic stotra. So this stotra I am going to give the complete lyrics on the YouTube screen. Those interested, please take snapshot and also mug up, and also please share my videos to all so that everybody can watch, learn and enjoy. Especially all Brahmins has to learn this shloka and chant daily to get the Acharya Traya's Ashirvada blessings. So that is, my dear friends, this is a fantastic stotra. So here I go. Acharya Traya Stotra. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Ramanujam Munim. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Ramanujam Munim. Madhvam Chavayumacharyam Acharyatrayam Ashraye. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So let us just now take up the verbatim meanings. Shankaram Shankaracharya means Shankara was an incarnation of Lord Shankara. So Shankaracharya was the incarnation of Lord Sri Shankara. So Shankaram Shankaracharyam. So we go down to such a great Acharya. That is the Advaita Parampara. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Munim Ramanujam. Shesham Ramanujam Munim. Shesham means Ramanuja is considered as an avatar of Adishesha. So Munim means he is a great sage. So Ramanujacharya, he gave us the Vishishtadvaita principle or philosophy. So we bow down to such a great Acharya. Shesham Ramanujam Munim. This is an Anushtup Stotra, fantastic composition. So moving on, the Madhva Parampare, Madhvam cha Vayumacharyam. Madhvacharya, we bow down to great Acharya Madhvacharya. Vayumacharyam, he is considered as an avatar or incarnation of Vayudevulu, that is Hanuman Madhva Bhiva. Bhima, we all know this. So Madhvam cha Vayumacharyam Acharya Trayamashraye. I bow down to all these three great Acharyas. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So I have given the verbatim meanings. This is the simple, very simple Anushtup Stotra. I am going to recite this Stotra again, and then we move on to other video. Here I go. Acharya Traya Stotra. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Ramanujam Munim. Madhvam Chavayumacharyam Acharyatrayamashraye. Fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? So in the next upcoming video, we will take up separately several stotras on Lord Acharya Shankara, Acharya Ramanuja and Acharya Madhva separately, and several compositions of these great Acharyas also we will take up one by one. So until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Devi signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jainagar Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Sati Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.